Understanding Bitcoin involves grasping its technology, economics, and impact on financial systems. Here are 13 ways to get a comprehensive understanding of Bitcoin. 1. Learn the basics of blockchain technology method. Study how blockchain technology works, as Bitcoin operates on a decentralized ledger. Understanding concepts like blocks, chains, and consensus mechanisms is fundamental to grasping how Bitcoin functions. 2. Read the Bitcoin White Paper Method. Satoshi Nakamoto's original white paper, titled Bitcoin, a peer-to-peer electronic cash system, outlines the vision and technical details of Bitcoin. Reading this document provides insight into the underlying principles and mechanics of Bitcoin. 3. Understand cryptocurrency mining method. Learn about the process of mining, which involves validating transactions and securing the Bitcoin network. This includes understanding proof of work, mining hardware, and the reward system. 4. Explore Bitcoin wallets method. Study different types of Bitcoin wallets, software, hardware, paper, and how they are used to store and manage Bitcoin. Understanding wallet security and backup is crucial for safe Bitcoin handling. 5. Examine Bitcoin transactions method. Learn how Bitcoin transactions work, including transaction fees, confirmation times, and the role of miners. Exploring blockchain explorers can help visualize transactions on the Bitcoin network. 6. Study Bitcoin's economic model method. Understand Bitcoin's economic principles, such as supply cap, 21 million BTC, halving events, and inflation control. This helps explain Bitcoin's value proposition and scarcity. 7. Analyze Bitcoin's market behavior method. Observe Bitcoin's market trends, volatility, and price history. Study factors influencing Bitcoin's price, such as market sentiment, regulatory news, and macroeconomic events. 8. Read about Bitcoin's legal and regulatory status method. Research how different countries regulate Bitcoin, including legal status, tax implications, and compliance requirements. This helps in understanding Bitcoin's integration into the global financial system. 9. Explore Bitcoin's use cases method. Investigate various use cases for Bitcoin, including as a store of value, medium of exchange, and investment asset. Understanding these applications highlights Bitcoin's versatility. 10. Participate in Bitcoin communities method. Engage with online forums, social media groups, and local meetups to connect with other Bitcoin enthusiasts and experts. Community discussions can provide valuable insights and practical knowledge. 11. Follow Bitcoin news and developments method. Stay updated with the latest news, technological advancements, and regulatory changes related to Bitcoin. Follow reputable news sources, blogs, and research papers to remain informed. 12. Explore Bitcoin's security features method. Learn about Bitcoin's security mechanisms, such as cryptographic techniques, network nodes, and protocol upgrades. Understanding how Bitcoin protects against attacks and fraud is essential. 13. Experiment with Bitcoin transactions method. Use a small amount of Bitcoin to make transactions, either by sending Bitcoin to a friend or using it for purchases. Hands-on experience with wallets and transactions enhances your practical understanding. By exploring these areas, you can develop a thorough understanding of Bitcoin, its technology, and its role in the financial ecosystem. Thank you for watching. Like, comment, share and subscribe for more.